This is huge. Frankly, it demands the resignation of the people that were responsible from the top all the way down.
A judge sides with the Missouri Tax Commission in what may be a major win for Jackson County property taxpayers. The Jackson County judge agreed with the Missouri State Tax Commission that taxpayers should not have more than a 15% increase on each of their property appraisals in 2023.
It's a story Fox 4 News has been covering for nearly 2 years now. Property appraisals jumping by double and in some cases triple digits from 2022 appraisals. Fox 4's Jonathan Katz live from the Jackson County Courthouse tonight, where the fallout is just beginning. John.
Yeah, legislator Sean Smith and County Executive Frank White have been at odds about this issue for nearly 2 years now. We tried to get an on-camera interview with County Executive Frank White today. That did not happen. However, we did talk to Director of Assessment Gail McCann-Beatty inside of this building for about 2 minutes after she came out of a courtroom. McCann-Beatty disagrees with the state court judge's ruling that the Jackson County assessment process in 2023 was done incorrectly. 75% of homeowners in the county saw property assessment increases of more than 15% that year, with the average assessment increase being 30%.
We absolutely sent notices out to every single person in the county. They were given the opportunity for the interior inspection if they wanted it. We completed over 4,000 inspections, and so I don't agree that that was the case, and so we will see where we go from here. That's all I have to say for right now.
Following release of the judge's decision, legislator Sean Smith on Tuesday called for the resignations of Frank White, Assessor McCann-Beatty, and County Councilor Brian Kavinsky. Smith said cities, counties, and school districts that relied on the county to get the assessments done correctly now may have to see money clawed back from them. He says that any district in the county funding a bond off of property taxes may be impacted by Tuesday's ruling.
I will just say to the public, consider that you might be putting your city or school district in a place where they might not have the money to repay this when this order gets enforced. So that's a factor in deciding what you want to do with those bond issues.
Last summer, the State Tax Commission had ordered the county to roll back all those assessments that were over 15%, ruling them illegal. But the county took that fight to the courtroom. Tuesday, we learned about the judge's ruling in favor of the state. Before that elevator went down, McCann-Beatty said she does not plan to resign, and at this time we don't know whether the county will appeal today's ruling. Guys?
John, barring an appeal, and one would expect it's coming, but would taxpayers expect any kind of a refund with this judgment as it eventually plays out if it stays in favor of the state?
Well, that's obviously something that the taxpayers will want. Smith said he basically doesn't know. He said it may be easier for taxpayers to get a tax credit in future years, in future assessment years like 2025. At this point, though, we really don't know.
Jonathan Katz at the Jackson County Courthouse tonight. John, thanks.